Our next prehistoric animal is named Ophiacodon. For I have noticed that this creature is a common ancestor for most reptiles. Reptiles such as Dimetrodon, Petrolachosaurus, and basically, well, I don't know much, but I think this guy's related to Gorgonopsid. I've been planning to draw Ophiacodon for quite a long time. I don't know much about this animal, but I have reason to believe that this guy come in packs, or at least in herds. I have really no idea how this guy came to... I have really no idea how this guy was part of my series, but I am actually quite happy that I got to include this guy. He looks a little bit like, he looks a little bit like Petrolachosaurus, only he looks more like an actual common predator. It's kind of small, if you ask me. But anyway, I'm doing this on my Blick art page, and I'm taking my time with this, slowly and carefully. If you're watching this, I've already have gotten 1,000 subscribers by now. And well, I don't really know what, I can't keep running this show forever. And I don't really want it shut down. I mean, I've worked really hard on it. I can't spend time on it forever. I have a dog to feed and to take care of, and I also have friends to look and see and come and visit, especially Ava. Oh, how I miss her. There's my buddy Ty and his amazing Monster Quest work. And, well, let's see, what else? There are also Netflix shows that I'm working on. Well, got to visit. There we go. There we are. And done. That's how you draw Ophiacodon. Yeah, I know it's a bit small. Maybe I should have made the neck longer. Or at least the legs shorter. There. And done. And finished. Now that is how it's done. Anyway, be sure to comment on what dinosaur you want me to draw next. Already gotten this close. Now, if you would excuse me, I've got a huge poster to work on.